Hey guys, so I tried to film this twice. The first time the battery died and the second time my memory was full. So not my memory, the camera memory was full. So many distractions. I put on this beautiful spring bright makeup, and if the video is not up already, it's coming, don't worry about that. And I've been wanting to, I cleaned out my makeup the other day and I have gotten rid of a lot of my lipsticks that I had, which were really disgusting and moldy, some of them. So once I cleared everything, I still have about a good 50 to 80 left, and I categorized them as nudes, pinks, like bright pinks and light pinks and whatever, and dark colors. So today I thought, that day I thought, you know what, it would be great to do a couple of videos trying on all my lipsticks categorized into each of those categories that I just said, because us women of color or people of color who love to wear lipsticks have very limited opportunity, you know, like more of the colors, especially nude colors, are targeted towards fairer skin, and I think the world needs to just change and get the act together and come out with more shades that are brown skin loving, you know. Anyway, dark colors you can pretty much work with, and dark colors is so beautiful on darker skin tones. So I love dark colors. I'm just not as daring as I want to be. I only wear them for like weddings or like, you know, some crazy ass bougie function, but I don't know, I'll do them in videos, I guess. I'm just gonna, I'll show you. This is all the dark colors that I have. They're from various brands. So yeah, let's just put them on. Right now I have like a pinky nude mix, which I will show you in the makeup tutorial. Let me just grab a random lip liner. This is Hover by MAC. I'm gonna keep this handy, so because these are dark colors, we need to be very precise. I might actually even need a lip brush, which I have all of my brushes back here. What do I use? I'm just gonna use this random lip brush that I have, which is by BH Cosmetics. I think it came in a set. Let's get started. Let's start in no particular order. I'm just gonna grab them. Actually, I'm gonna keep the darkest ones to the last, just in case they stain. Let's start with a familiar one. Shouldn't be. Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick in Rum Raisin. Such a beautiful chocolatey color. Now for a darker skin tone, this might even be a nude, but for me, I think it's definitely a dark, kind of like a chocolate color. Absolutely doesn't go with the eye makeup, but such a beautiful color. Yeah, I love it. It's comfortable on the lips, and some of these may have been discontinued, so I'm sorry. I will try to link whatever's available down below, so if you like any of the colors, you can go and purchase. Keep in mind all the links are from Australian websites, because I live in Australia, so I'm so sorry if you can't find it wherever you live. Yeah, so that's beautiful. Let's keep going. Okay, so the next color I'm gonna grab is another Revlon one. These are the little lip crayons. What are they called? Colourburst matte balms. I love these. I have like a bunch of colors in this. I hope this is still available, but this is a purple. Whoa. This is called Shameless Shameless. Ridiculous with the makeup, but it goes on really smooth, very opaque, and it has a peppermint scent to it, which I'm not really a big fan of, but it's so comfortable on the lips, and it is matte for sure. So that's that one. So beautiful. Next color I'm gonna try on is, what do I want to try on? Maybe this one or this one. This is by Ulta 3. It's called Plum Velvet. That's what it looks like. Such a gorgeous burgundy color. I do recommend putting on lip liner before you put these on. It just makes it for an easier application. And you should clean up with a bit of concealer afterwards to make it look pouty and really neat. Such a beautiful color. It is a bit, I mean, it's matte, but it's a bit patchy. I don't know if you can see. So you might have to go over it a bit more, like many times. But I love that. It's, I mean, these are really, like, these Ulta 3 stuff is really affordable and cheap. You can get it for a couple of bucks. So beautiful. Alright, the next color I'm gonna try on is the NYX matte lipstick in Siren. It's kind of like a burgundy, chocolatey brown color. So beautiful. That is really matte. That is so beautiful. I love that color. It's very matte and a bit sticky, but it's really pretty. So, alright, we have another purple one. This is very dark. It's from Wet n Wild. It's called Vamp It Up. Style Vamp. I don't know why it has two names, but it's almost black. Look at that, but it's definitely a purple. It's so beautiful. Let me put that on. I feel like I'm gonna mess this up, but we'll see. Ooh, that is really matte and dry. Oy, oy, oy. You know what? I'm gonna use my lip brush for this one. Oh my god, I did such an awful job. It's very opaque and my lip is all crooked, but that's the color, you guys. Yeah, I don't know. It's not something I would reach for very often. Maybe for Halloween. Oh, that Wet n Wild one, the purple one I just tried, stained my lips really red. Yeah, I don't know how accurate the rest of them are gonna be. We don't have much and they're all really dark colors, so I think we should be okay. I'm gonna try, now I do have a limited edition one, which is Viva Glam Arianna Grande, which is a matte one. It is very, actually it's not that similar. I'll try that on. This is limited edition. I'm just trying this out for fun. You can no longer buy this. This came out like, I don't know, 3-4 years ago. That's also going on a little patchy, but it's really, really dark, like a ox blood color, but like super dark purpley undertone. It might also stain my lips as well, but yeah, that also stained my lips. Anyway, I have 4 other colors. Antique Velvet by MAC, which is a beautiful brown color. I love that. That's such a pretty color. Okay, so the next color I'm going to try is Fenty Beauty. What is this? It's called Mattemoiselle. Oh no, Mattemoiselle is the range, I think. It's called Plush Matte Lipstick in PMS. So funny. This was in a collection of other gifts as my push gift when I had my son, and my hubby gave me this. So it's so funny how it's called PMS. Anyway, it is also a really dark brown. I love this color. I've worn this before and it's really pretty. So, and it's so smooth. Fenty products are like so amazing. Like, even though this is a matte, it's not dry like the MAC ones. It goes on so smooth. So easy to apply. So pretty. I love that one. That is so beautiful. Alright, the last 2 I have are by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and one is called, these are the Velour liquid lipsticks. I love these ones. This one's called Dominatrix, which I've worn before, and it's so beautiful and long lasting. And this one I've never worn. I don't know why I got it. It's black. It's called Weirdo. I'm gonna try Dominatrix first. They go on creamy and then dry to a really nice long lasting matte color, which is a little drying, but it's bearable. So that is such a pretty color, and the wand makes it so easy to apply. So that's what it looks like. I do want to get rid of it before it dries, because otherwise it's a nightmare. Last but not least, we have the Jeffree Star Weirdo matte lipstick, or Velour liquid lipstick. It is black. It's like eyeliner black. Whoa. That went on a little patchy, and I did such a bad job, but it is black, so yeah, it is what it is. I kind of like it. It's a look with like minimal eyes with a tiny, like a baby wing or something. I think I can rock it. But anyway, that's all for today, you guys. I will do more of like trying on all my nude lipsticks and pinks and this and that, but I hope you guys enjoyed this fun video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like my video, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.